Hey boo, so let's have a cute little girly day. We're gonna spend it at Eyes for Beauties. And when I walked in, everything was decorated for the holidays. I absolutely love this mirror for the content spot and the disco balls. They were also holding a Toys for Tots for the kiddos. And when I walked in, there was so much information about their business. This is Sadie and Alma. They're the babes that run this place, and look at their faces. Oh my gosh, this is Sadie. She was so sweet. And we started with the brows, which I cannot get enough of. She tinted and waxed my brows, and then we went straight into a hydrating and anti-aging facial. And my favorite part had to be when she put the mask with the red light therapy. Oh my gosh, it was so relaxing. And obviously we were getting all the content, so if you haven't checked out their content from this day, go ahead and check it out. And honestly, this was such a great experience. They took such great care of me. And don't forget to check out their location in Alhambra if you guys want to stop by for a cute little facial day.
You guys see these brows?